After so many updates on Galaxy S23 Ultra, now it's the right time to talk about Galaxy S23, and there are a couple of updates that we wanted from Samsung and they are finally giving it to the Galaxy S23, as we are getting a new design on the Galaxy S23 including some internal changes that were not expected but coming. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. As per FCC certification of both Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus, both devices are getting a bigger battery than their predecessors. For Galaxy S23, we are going to see a 3900 mAh, 200 mAh more than the S22, a big update we all wanted, and same goes to S23 Plus where we are going to see 4700 mAh battery. But as per FCC certification, both phones will come with the same 25W fast charger. No update in the charging speed of both S23 and S23 Plus. And if you are curious about the Galaxy S23 Ultra, then we are going to see the same 5000 mAh battery along with the 25W fast charger. Let me know in the comments which one would you go for, S23 or S23 Ultra. Not only that we are getting a bigger battery, but we get the benchmark score of Galaxy S23 and things are getting interesting, as it scored 1524 single core score and 4597 multi-core score. Now these are the initial numbers and we might see increase in numbers as we will proceed to the launch of Galaxy S23 lineup, because S23 will come with a special edition Snapdragon Gen 2 which will be overclocked at 3.36 GHz instead of 3.19. Samsung didn't just update the battery, but we are going to see a great power efficient numbers on the Snapdragon Gen 2. Yes, 40% CPU power efficiency and 45% GPU power efficiency, so we can expect some great battery life on the S23. With bigger battery and more power efficient processor, Galaxy S23 might get a light mode feature which will limit the high frequency numbers on the processor, but will keep the 120Hz refresh rate to increase the battery life. If you like the back design of Galaxy S22 Ultra, then the good news is here for you, where Samsung is going to change the back design of Galaxy S23. We are going to see the same design just like the S22 Ultra, individual cameras without the metal frame, which looks good and it's already confirmed since we get the case information of Galaxy S23. But the front design will look exactly like the S22, 6.1 inches, 1080p 120Hz display. A report from Korean media confirms the release date of Galaxy S23 lineup, where we are going to see the S23 lineup in the earlier Feb, and Samsung is planning this event in person in San Francisco, and phones will hit the market around 17th of Feb. If you guys want to see the real 200 megapixel camera sample of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then you guys should watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.